Hi friends, here I will show you how to make container full width in Elementor. You want your content to stretch across the entire screen for a dramatic visual impact or to fully utilize space. Making a container full width in Elementor is a simple yet essential step for professional web design, and it's especially important when using the newer Flexbox container feature. Here is the step-by-step guide on how to configure your container to span the full width of the browser viewport. First, I would suggest to disable right sidebar, and this Hello Elementor is what I am currently using. So let me walk through the Elementor settings deeply. Part 1. Setting the main section to full width. The container inherits its width from its parent element, which is usually the section or the main Elementor canvas. We must ensure the container settings are correctly applied. Step 1. Select the container. Open your page in the Elementor editor. Select the outermost container you wish to make full width by clicking on its Edit Container handle, the 6-dot icon at the top center of the container. Step 2. Configure layout settings. In the left-hand panel, ensure you are in the Layout tab. Look for the Content Width option. By default, this is usually set to boxed. Change the content width from boxed to full width. This tells the container to disregard the site's default maximum width and span the full page. Step 3. Adjust the width property. Under the width control, ensure the units are set to percentage or VW, viewport width. Set the width value to 100% for 100% of the parent container or 100 VW for 100% of the browser viewport. Setting the value to 100% when the content width is full width achieves the desired effect. Part 2. Troubleshooting and styling. If your container still doesn't span the full width, it might be limited by your WordPress theme's CSS. 1. Check theme setting. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, Customize, or your theme's global settings. Look for a setting related to page layout or Elementor page settings. For example, let's say, themes often have a content layout set to boxed by default, which can restrict Elementor. Change the default layout for Elementor pages to full width. 3. Use Custom CSS Advanced. If all else fails, you can use Custom CSS to force the container width. Go to Customize and add CSS. Find the main CSS code of the theme. Do like I am doing. For my theme, the main box CSS is main #content. Paste the following code now. CSS main #content. Max width 100 VW important. Width 100% important. Padding 0 important. Click the Publish button to publish your full width container design. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to make container full width in Elementor. If it did, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel.